Hey everyone, today we are going to create something in demand. Usually, the companies receive mails from lead generation experts, like for new leads on Gmail. So they want to send the notification to their team members, like there is a new lead, call them or handle this lead or something like that. So companies use Slack or other communication channels. So what we are going to do is we're creating an automation. Like if there is a new Gmail coming in from any specific subject, so I'll use the Gmail as a trigger. So watch new mails, and I have the connection already made. You can make a new connection if you don't have, and I can change this filter, and query could be like make audience. So if there is a mail with this keyword, or let's say any keyword you can add here, like Schwab lead generation expert or any website, then I want to receive a mail here in make.com. I'll change this limit to 2. We can change it later if we need it. And let's say there is a mail with this, and we need to send a Slack message. So I will find the send a message step here. So I already signed up on Slack. Slack is a communication channel. Like on WhatsApp we usually chat with friends, but on Slack we chat with businesses, like on our team members. Business chats are on Slacks usually. So we can create channels, send messages directly. So we have a new channel here, like new channel. So here we can add the name, hashtag new channel, and I can add a text here. So like there is a new lead from this mail. So whatever the mail will come here, it will be sent in the text on the Slack. So I'm gonna send a mail here, like to my mail, and the subject is make audience. So it will be fetched in make.com, and there's a new lead. Hey, new lead. So let's say this is a new mail here, and on make.com, if it was turned on and the duration is 15, so after every 15 minutes it will check a new mail and send the message on Slack. But for now it is turned off. We are running it manually. So I will just hit on run once. It will fetch the mail and send a message. So there is a new lead from Little Prince 786. So this is a very quick, easy automation that is in demand for companies. You can offer this simple automation to many entrepreneurs, many companies that are running things manually. So follow me, like me, subscribe me, and watch next videos to be an expert of business automation. Have a nice day. Bye bye.